everyone, I'm Justin Reynol. So this is me showing you how to document formatting. First is I put my name for introduction. So uh, we need to bold it, underline, and center this name. So how to bold it? So we need to select the word and Control B to underline it. We do is Control U. Oh, okay. Next is to center this text is we need to press again select and then Control E and this. So what are my what this is my introduction about me. So we need to wait a minute. I need to copy this. Control C. Uh, Control C to copy this. Select and Control C, or you can Control X. So we need to Control select and Control C. To paste it, Control C is copy, and so paste it here. We need to press Control V, which is paste. So Control V, yes. So we need to remove the bold, yes, and the underline. So when select this, wait a minute, let me just um, select this and let me change the font. So select here, right click and here this, then select your own font. So make this, select this, then select again, and size I like to be 14 because no. Then uh, the alignment is I just press Ctrl G for justified alignment. Yes. Mm. And then as for my hobby, my hobby is gaming, sleeping, and yes, just um, then select and to bullet it or number it. So I'm gonna just bullet it, select all, then control, hold control plus the, yes. uh, After that I'm gonna put my own picture, then resize it to my liking. So to do that is press insert, then picture here, click here, and then click this device. So I'm done resizing my picture. So you need to align it to whatever my like, or to using right this thing. So click my picture here and this crop text. So we need to click it and click here this two and to desired position of my picture. we can do the right, or we can do the left. Here and here.